Eek. Eek. You've just hiccuped for 10th time. Ever wonder where these funny noises are coming from? The part to blame is your diaphragm. Diaphragm is large sheet-like muscle found between our chest and abdomen that helps to control our breathing. Hiccups can be caused in number of ways, such as eating or drinking too fast. If you eat too fast, you may swallow air along with food. So body expels this air in form of hiccups. The heek sound we produce is caused by vocal cords snapping shut after each short sudden gasp of breath. In other cases, hiccups can be caused by irritation of nerves that run from brain to diaphragm. This explains why hiccups may occur with temperature changes or emotional situations. Almost all cases of the hiccups last only a few minutes. Some cases of the hiccups can last for days or even months, but this is very unusual. An American man called Charles Osborne began hiccuping in 1922 and continued to hiccup for 68 years. Until 1990, when hiccups mysteriously stopped. But it did not keep him from leading a full life. People have different ways of getting rid of hiccups, such as holding their breath, putting sugar on toke, biting on lemon, drinking water from opposite side of glass, or receiving a sudden fright. Some of these methods can occasionally help to get rid of hiccups. Do you have more burning questions about science? Keep watching and subscribe here. Thank you.